Hello viewers, let me talk about the change of narration of interrogative sentences today. An interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a question. There are two kinds of interrogative sentences. One, yes/no question, which starts with auxiliary verbs like are you going to Patna? Is he well? Is she studying mathematics? And so on. The second, WH question. This interrogative sentence starts with WH words like what, which, where, how, why, when, etc. Just like where do you live? What's your name? Where do you come from? Etc. Now let me talk about the change of interrogative sentences into indirect narration. If the reported speech has interrogative sentences, it will change into indirect narration as follows. Number one, the reporting verb is ask or asked, inquire or inquired of in place of say, said. Number two, the connective is if or whether in case of yes/no question. WH word like what, which, where, how, why, etc. in case of WH question. The third important change is that interrogative sentences change into assertive sentences in the indirect narration. Next, the pronouns, the tenses, some other words change as usual. These are the rules for the change of interrogative sentences into indirect narration. Now let me illustrate all these rules through beautiful examples. I take a sentence. He asked, he said, are you well? Are you well? Are you well is a yes/no question. It starts with auxiliary verb are. It will change into indirect narration as below. He asked if or whether he is well or he was well, if or whether he was well. Second, she said to him. She said to him, are you going to college? Are you going to college? This is again yes/no question. It will change into indirect narration as below. She inquired of him if he was going to college. If he was going to college. See how the direct narration has changed into indirect narration. Both the sentences are yes no question. Third, he said, what's your name? What is your name? What is your name is WH question. So it will change into indirect narration as below. He asked him, what his name was. Look at this sentence. What is your name is interrogative sentence, WH question. In the indirect narration, it has changed into assertive sentence. What his name was. I give another example to illustrate it. She said, to her. She said to her, where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live is a WH question. So it will change into indirect narration as follows. She asked her where she lived. Where she lived. In this way, we can change direct narration into indirect narration easily. In my next class, I shall talk about the change of narration of imperative sentences. Thanks.